My vision presents a win-win opportunity for both sides, a realistic two-state solution that resolves the risk of Palestinian statehood to Israel's security. Today, Israel has taken a giant step toward peace.
US President Donald Trump's long-awaited and so-called Middle East peace plan received applause at the White House and condemnation from Palestinians. From the outset of his speech, Trump put Israel front and center.
Today, Israel takes a big step towards peace.
No Palestinian representatives were in the room for the announcement. The Peace to Prosperity roadmap outlines a number of proposals, including one that would see Israel freeze settlement construction for 4 years. Under the deal, Israelis and Palestinians would not be moved from their existing homes. There is no provision for Palestinians to have the right of return, but there are criteria for Palestinian statehood, such as the complete demilitarization of the population. And under the plan, Jerusalem would become Israel's undivided capital. Trump says this deal will do a lot for the Palestinians.
This map will more than double the Palestinian territory and provide a Palestinian capital in eastern Jerusalem where America will proudly open an embassy.
This is the map he's talking about. The areas in green would form a potential Palestinian state. Vast tracts of land in the West Bank and the Jordan Valley would become Israeli territory. Those circles represent 15 Israeli settlements, which would remain. Pockets of Palestine would be connected by roads or tunnels, including one that would join Gaza and the West Bank.
Mr. President, because of this historic recognition, and because I believe your peace plan strikes the right balance where other plans have failed, I've agreed to negotiate peace with the Palestinians on the basis of your peace plan.
Those negotiations don't seem likely. The president of the Palestinian Authority, Mahmoud Abbas, has called the plan the slap of the century.
أريد أن أقول للثنائي ترامب ونتنياهو إن القدس ليست للبيع وكل حقوقنا ليست للبيع وليست للمساومة وصفقتكم المؤامرة لن تمشي.
The Palestinians and the Trump administration haven't been on speaking terms since the US embassy was moved to Jerusalem. That didn't stop the US from presenting this proposal. But has the blueprint for peace made it even harder to achieve? Natalie Piyohonen, The Newsmakers.